Today we are come up with one more interesting topic on aptitude and reasoning section, that is profit and loss discounts topic. The last sessions we covered about the basic introduction part on profit and loss in a detailed manner by considering the relevant example problems here. And also we covered some problems on model 1 and model 2 which were asked in the previous examination. And in this session we mainly focus on the model 2. That is, model 2 is primarily based on the markup and discounts, or the percentage markup and the percentage discounts here. In order to better understand this concept here, let us try to imagine that. Let us imagine that you are the owner of a toy store. Let us assume that you are the owner of a toy store, and that store name was Heaven of Toys. Heaven of Toys, and you have recently purchased a brand new remote controlled car, remote controlled car, and you are excited to offer them to to your customers here. And let us assume that the cost price, you purchase each of the remote controlled car from the supplier at a cost price of 400 rupees. Let us assume the remote controlled cost price was 400 rupees. To recover your operational cost and make profit, what you decided is you decided to apply some markup here. You decided to apply markup here. What is this markup? Let us assume you mark up the value by 300 rupees here. You decide the markup will be, so the market price will be, or this also sometimes called as a list price. Market price or the list price now will be 700 rupees. And this markup represents the additional amount you add to the cost price to determine the selling price. Next, after adding the markup, the market price for each remote control car becomes now 400 and plus 300, that will be now 700. Next, in order to attract the customers, what you decided is you decided to, in order to attract customers and encourage more number of sales, what you decided is you decided to offer a discount of, you offer a discount of, let us assume that you gave a discount of rupees 200 rupees on the market price of an item. So what is the selling price now? Now the selling price will be 500 a year. Now the selling price will be 500 a year. The with the applied discount, the selling price will be now 500. In this scenario, or in this you purchase the cost of, you purchase the remote control car for 400 rupees, and you apply the markup of 300 rupees to cover your expenses and profit margin, and resulting in a market price will be of 700 rupees. Then you offer a discount of 200 rupees to the customers, selling each of the remote controlled car at a final price of 500 rupees. This scenario explains how the cost price, markup and discount, selling price are interconnected in determining the profit and attracting attractiveness of the product to customers in a retail business. So this was the example we consider here. The same example problem we try to represent in a different manner here. Let us try to see here. So let us assume that the remote control cost price was 400 rupees, and you mark up the value by 300 rupees. Now it will be selling for 700 rupees, and then you offer a discount of 200 rupees. Now the actual selling price will be 500 rupees. So from cost price to selling price, what is the profit you are getting here? So you are getting a profit of 100 rupees. So now suppose if you want to calculate what is the percentage profit here, percentage profit will be equals to profit divided by the cost price into 100. What is the profit you are getting here? You are getting a profit of 100 out of 400 into 100. So you are getting 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 is nothing but what? 25%. So in this transaction, you are getting a profit of 25%. Now let us try to consider how much is this 300 in percentage in 300 rupees in percentage form here. So here this markup will be 300, and out of this 700 rupees into 100, this 3 by 7. 3 by 7. So what is 3? 1 by 7 is nothing but what? 1 by 7 is nothing but 14.28 into 3. So you'll get some value here. What is 14? You'll get something 42.58%. So this was the markup value. You mark up the value by 42. 42.58 percentage. Now let us try to calculate what is this. So this value is called as a percentage markup here. And what is this discount here in percentage form? What is it? Let us try to calculate the percentage discount here. Discount that will be equals to, what is the discount you are getting? 200 out of how much? 700 in here. So you are giving discount of 2 by 7. So the profit percentage will be 28 to 57. So in order to remember 1 by 7 identities, try to remember 142857. So 28.57 will be the discount percentage you are giving, and you mark up the value by 42.58 percentage, and you are getting a profit of 25 percentage in this transaction here. So let us try to see the values, the formulas, basic formulas here. Percentage markup or markup will be equals to market price minus cost price, and the percentage markup will be equals to markup divided by cost price into 100. Discount will be equals to market price minus the selling price, and the percentage discount will be equals to discount divided by market price into 100. So by utilizing, so here also we are having one more formula. What is this formula? Profit will be equals to selling price minus cost price, and the percentage profit will be equals to profit divided by cost price into 100. So these are the two formulas which we discussed in the last slide. So let us try to establish a relation between the cost price and the market price of an item here. Let us try to establish a relation between the market price and cost price of an item. So for that relation derivation, let us consider this first one, and let us try to consider this second one here. So let us try to simplify this equation here. Uh, so what is this profit percentage? Profit will be equals to SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. And if I simplify this equation, it will be like SP will be equals to CP of 100 plus P divided by 100. Next, if I simplify this equation, it will be like SP will be equals to MP of 100 minus D divided by 100. So both are selling price here, and I can equate this equation will be equals to CP of 100 plus profit divided by 100, that will be equals to market price of 100 minus D divided by 100. 100 and 100 get cancelled. I'll get that equation as CP by MP will be equals to 100 minus D by 100 plus P. So the relation between cost price and market price when discount percentage and profit percentage are given. So this is the formula you need to remember. So in order to solve this problem, suppose if you remember this formula, you can easily substitute the values. I sometimes in the question, sometimes he'll give mark price, discount percentage, and cost price. Ask us to find the cost price of an item, or he'll give the cost price and market price, and also give the profit. And he asks us to find what is the effective discounts offered on that particular item. So try to remember this formula. And without remembering this formula also, we can able to solve this problem, but try to remember the formula. Why? Because you can easily substitute the values and get the answer in a single step here. Let us move further. So in the last one, what we discussed here, cost price was 400 rupees, and market price was 700 rupees, and the selling price was 500 rupees. So this is like we are adding 300 rupees here. That is that with this, what this value we called as markup value, and this we are giving a discount of 200 rupees. This value we call it as a discount and percentage discount. Now let us, this is like this value we call as a effective percentage. Now let us try to take this one in a ratio method here. So here the cost price was 400 and selling price, mark price was 700 here. And if you eliminate the common numbers here, it will become 4:7. So it was increased by 3 parts here, 3 out of 4. So what is this markup percentage? It was marked up by 75 percentage here. It was marked up by 75 percentage. Next, let us try to consider. So this markup and selling price. Here the market price was 700 and cost price, selling price was 500. 7 out of 5. So initially the market price was 7 parts, but we are selling that one only for 5 parts. So we are giving a discount of 2 parts out of 7 parts. So what is this? So 2 by 7, 2 by 7 is nothing but 28 to 2 by 7 percentage here. 28 to 2 by 7 percentage here. So this is by using the ratio method here. Ratio method here. I hope you are clear with this explanation. Thank you for watching this session. In the next session, we cover the problems based on this markup and discount percentage. Have a good day. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.